You're watching EAC News. Thanks for joining us. Prime Minister Hun Sen released a special audio message on Tuesday evening expressing his concern about the rise in cases of the new COVID-19 Omicron variant in Cambodia after the number of daily Omicron cases shot up to 200. In response, he has called for a strengthening of health measures and a reduction in the number of public gatherings. EAC News reporter Dekanin has more details.
In a special audio message released on Tuesday evening, Prime Minister Hun Sen called for a strengthening of health measures and reduction in the number of public gatherings at places such as clubs, bars, and beer gardens, and at events such as weddings and other cultural rituals. He has urged all establishments and events to limit the size of gatherings and keep the crowd numbers small. He stressed that this is not a step backwards on the process of reopening the country, but is a necessary measure to prevent a serious catastrophe from occurring. He confirmed that the number of Omicron cases found on Tuesday had climbed to 200 cases, which is a concern for public health, and added that although the cases are only found in Phnom Penh, it is necessary for measures to be taken to prevent the new variant of the COVID-19 virus from spreading across the country like in the past. The Prime Minister requested all authorities and businesses to thoroughly examine and implement the 3 do's and 3 don'ts policy, especially adhering to mask wearing, regularly washing hands, and maintaining social distance. He further urged everyone to get vaccinated against COVID-19, both the first 2 basic doses and the booster doses as required for everyone to reduce the risk of hospitalization due to the pandemic. Following the release of the special voice message from the Prime Minister, the Minister of Health, Mam Bun Heng, issued a warning on the continued spread of COVID-19, particularly the Omicron variant, saying that Cambodia has seen a steady and worrying rise in cases of more than 3 digits every day. The Minister of Health said that the measures to prevent the spread of COVID-19 have not yet been strictly and rigorously implemented, especially in gatherings, and without proper implementation of health measures with the growing number of gatherings taking place, the possibility of transmission of COVID-19 is increasing every day. The minister noted that Omicron is rapidly moving around the world and across borders, requiring citizens to be vigilant and adequately prepared to respond to COVID-19 in a timely manner to avoid public health disasters. Impacts on family and socio-economic well-being, as well as to avoid a return to the hardship of a daily life under previous COVID-19 restrictions and to ensure the sustainability of living in a new normal. He further called on all citizens to continue strictly implementing health measures, especially the 3 do's and 3 don'ts. Get vaccinated and follow the instruction of Prime Minister Hun Sen. The minister stressed that citizens must remain tolerant as Cambodia continues to learn to live with the presence of COVID-19 and carefully reopens its economy and society. As of February 7th, Cambodia has found nearly 1,000 cases of the Omicron variant transmitted within the community. Dekanin, EAC News.